Hey, this is Chris Conti with InsureWise Insurance Agency. Today we're talking about workers' compensation insurance, hereafter called workers' comp. Work comp is a type of commercial insurance needed by almost every employer. And what it does is it protects the employer if a worker is injured in the course and scope of employment. Two big words, course and scope. Course is he's on a mission, they are on a mission for the employer, and scope, they're following the job description of what their job entails. Now, if a worker is injured, they shall promptly give notice to the employer. The employer shall provide prompt medical care to diagnose what is wrong, and many states allow a post-accident drug test. Sometimes the claim can be denied if there's a positive drug test. So exactly what workers' comp covers is 100% of the medical cost of the injury, typically 67% lost wages tax-free, 100% of the cost of prescriptions, and any other peripheral needs, such as a ramp, physical therapy, and related medical needs. So, work comp is a very, very important type of commercial insurance. You must have it to operate and give you peace of mind in the event of an injury. It is required by law in most states, even if you have one part-time employee or more. So, workers' comp is charged based on risk. Premium equal risk. The more the risk of loss, the higher the premium. For example, workers' comp uses a 4-digit class code. Let's take clerical, 8810. Very low hazard, very low risk, very low premium. Conversely, roofers has a 4-digit class code. High hazard, high rate. Why? The historical cost of injuries are much more for roofers than they are for clerical people. Please understand, workers' comp is typically what's called the exclusive remedy. It is the only remedy, with several exceptions, that the injured worker can pursue to get recovery for the injury. So work comp provides an employer peace of mind. It's a shock absorber in that if there's a large loss, the insurance company is going to pay it. Now, when an employer has more losses than their average competitor, assume you're a roofer and you have more losses than all other roofers on average, you're going to pay more through a number that follows you called your Experience Modification Factor. The Experience Modification Factor, hereafter called MOD, is like your driving record. If you have speeding tickets or DUIs or run stop signs, you are presenting a higher risk of loss for the insurance company, and they're going to want more money for the risk you're giving them. Well, the exact same thing is true with workers' comp. If your losses exceed an industry average, your experience mod will be elevated above 1. When your mod's above 1, you pay more than your average competitor. Conversely, if you have safety programs or are just very lucky and haven't had losses, claims that exceed the industry average, your mod is below 1. Now you pay less for workers' comp insurance, thus giving you a competitive advantage. I hope you find this information helpful. My name's Chris Conti with InsureWise. Our goal is to educate, and we love questions. Thank you.